Hey guys, welcome back. This is DIY with Han. It's been a while again, about 5 months since my last post. I just want to get on here and give you 5 quick tips on how to maximize your vacation mornings. And yeah, we're outside of Dallas, Texas today. My husband actually has a conference for 2 days, so I'm free for the next 2 days, so I'm just kind of enjoying taking in the view and relaxing. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment below and tell me what you like for future videos, because I've been getting a little bit of a brain fart on getting ideas and inspiration for videos. So yeah, help me out with some suggestions. All right, let's get on to the video. So the first tip is have a hearty breakfast, especially when you're at a hotel and they provide breakfast for you. So I had some eggs, bacon, potatoes, and some fruit this morning. And then number 2 is to just enjoy the view, sit outside by the balcony and, read a book and just kind of enjoy the cooler weather, because Dallas does get pretty hot, and so in the morning there's like a light breeze, and if you can find a shady spot, even better. And then number 3 is to get a workout in. Whether you use weights or not, there's tons of videos on YouTube on how you can get a 10-minute workout in, a 30-minute workout in, an hour workout in, but just keep yourself active, warm up your body, stretch it out. Tip number 4 is I maximize the pool that they have here too, and so I just swam a couple of laps back and forth and just getting some more exercise and just kind of energize your body in the morning. And lastly, number 5 is give yourself a photo shoot. Even if you don't have an Instagram husband or an Instagram boyfriend, you can give yourself a photo shoot. Simply just use your timer on your phone, the 10-second timer, and just have fun. Smile, don't smile, show off your outfit, and just enjoy relaxing. All right guys, those are my 5 tips. Take care. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.